Ableton Live is an exceptional digital audio workstation, DAW, that is highly regarded, particularly among electronic music producers and live performers. Its design is strikingly different from traditional DAWs, offering a seamless and intuitive interface that allows users to quickly sketch, tweak, and finalize musical ideas using its innovative non-linear arrangement capabilities. The software's hallmark is the session view, a groundbreaking feature that supports improvisation and flexibility in music creation, unlike the typical timeline-based workflow found in other DAWs. This makes it particularly appealing for live performances where spontaneity and on-the-fly adjustments are crucial. Additionally, the arrangement view provides a more conventional timeline for fine-tuning tracks, making Ableton Live versatile for both stage and studio use. Ableton Live is packed with a wide array of high-quality instruments and effects. From synthesizers and samplers to drum machines and sound processing effects, the variety is immense and caters to all sorts of sound design and musical styles. The DAW also offers extensive MIDI support and audio warping features, enabling precise control over every aspect of the audio and MIDI data. Integration with hardware is another strong point of Ableton Live. It is designed to work seamlessly with various controllers and external instruments, making it a central hub for complex setups. The push device, developed by Ableton, further enhances this integration by providing hands-on control over all aspects of the production and performance processes, delivering a tactile and immersive experience. For beginners, the learning curve can initially appear daunting due to the depth and breadth of its features. However, Ableton offers a comprehensive range of tutorials and support materials that help new users navigate through its complex functionalities. The community around Ableton Live is also a fantastic resource, full of experienced users and professionals willing to share their knowledge and expertise. In conclusion, Ableton Live is not just a software, but a powerful ecosystem for music creation, performance, and production. Its innovative approach to music making, combined with robust features and extensive support, makes it an indispensable tool for modern musicians and producers looking to explore new creative possibilities.